In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a campaign in Dripify for LinkedIn and email outreach. By the end, you'll know how to add leads, build a simple yet effective sequence, personalize messages, launch with confidence, and keep improving based on results. Start by signing in to Dripify and connecting your LinkedIn account. This lets Dripify perform actions on your behalf, like viewing profiles or sending connection requests. Before you move on, make sure your Dripify profile is properly set up. A clear name and up-to-date details help your outreach look credible, and a well-completed profile on LinkedIn will increase acceptance and reply rates. Next, add leads. If you're sourcing from LinkedIn, run a search using filters such as location, industry, or job title to find your ideal prospects. Copy the search URL and paste it into Dripify, and the platform will pull in those profiles. If you already have a list, upload a CSV that includes LinkedIn profile URLs. Clean data matters here. Remove duplicates and verify that the URLs point to the correct people so your campaign stays targeted and organized. Now, build your sequence. A sequence is the set of actions Dripify will execute for each lead, such as viewing a profile, sending a connection request, and following up with a message. Decide the order and timing. For example, you might wait 2 days after a connection request before sending a follow-up. Add conditions and triggers so the experience feels natural. If someone replies at any stage, stop further actions for that person to avoid over-messaging. Personalize your messages to boost engagement. Use variables like first name or /company to tailor each note automatically. Keep messages short, relevant, and focused on one clear next step, such as a brief intro call or a simple yes or no question. If you create a strong sequence, save it as a template so you can reuse and refine it later without rebuilding from scratch. Before launching, review everything carefully: your lead source, the sequence order, delays, and message previews with variables. Make sure the tone matches your brand and the pacing respects typical engagement patterns. When you're satisfied, click Start Campaign. After launch, monitor performance. Watch for connection accepts, replies, and overall response quality. Based on what you see, make targeted tweaks, adjust copy, change delays, or refine follow-ups to lift response rates. Small, steady improvements here will compound over time. That's it. You've created a focused, scalable Dripify campaign that you can measure, learn from, and optimize.